Assalamu alaikum. This is a quick tutorial with a tool which converts images to PDF. So I have tried a couple of other websites, but they are not up to the mark based on my expectations. The first thing about this tool is this is free. This is online. You can access it from anywhere. And there is no limit of files, so you can upload as many images as you want. And another thing is that you can literally drag and drop your whole folder here, and I have found a couple of other tools, but they don't allow you to upload the files. So you will have to, let's say you have 5 folders, so you'll need to go to each folder and then select all the images and then upload them. So this is a quick handy tool for that. And also you can rearrange things here. Even you can rotate tools from here quickly, and you can see enlarged version of this image. So this is very interesting, right? Another very important thing is for me is that you can upload multiple or mixed up files. Like you can upload a JPEG, you can upload a JPG, and you can also upload a PNG. There's no problem with this. But other tools may be something like allow you to upload only PNG to PDF, or JPEG to PDF, or JPG to PDF. So this is also helpful here. Again, you can rearrange, so I can swap it with this. So yep, this is a cool thing. And also you can just select from here. You can sort things based on their title or based on the file name. So you can sort ascending A to Z or descending A to Z, and you can export it in multiple formats here, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, hit the like button. Thank you.